emerge finance professionals equipped to deal with ambiguity and market volatility, combined with a strong sense of accountability and an ethical mindset. A deep knowledge of finance and the ability to make complex and timely financial decisions is absolutely critical for success, whether that be for capital markets, corporate finance, or investment banking. EADA's International Master in Finance enjoys a strong reputation for excellence. EADA is partner of the CFA Institute. Our syllabus is in line with the requirements and is completely up to date with the latest demands and trends of today's financial environment. Our participants learn how to use Python in order to deal with a vast amounts of information for managing investment portfolios, for financial modeling, and making company valuations. Another useful tool is Acon, an open technology solution for financial markets professionals, providing access to industry-leading data, insights, and exclusive and trusted news. ESG issues are critical to manage investments that not only have a financial return, but also have a social impact and contribute to making the world more sustainable. EADA is one of the very few business schools in the world that puts such importance upon the development of soft skills. Developing participants' leadership, team building, communication, and negotiation skills, among others, gives EADA's students a clear competitive advantage. Surrounded by mountains and 50 kilometers away from our Barcelona campus, the residential campus offers outdoor activities specifically designed to accelerate your soft skills development and plunging into challenging situations, prompting your reflexes and giving you the opportunity to enhance and polish your skills. More than 95% of our participants come from overseas. And by design, we keep the class size to no more than 30 to ensure the student-to-professor ratio is optimal. Our program offers the possibility to choose elective courses in the month of May. These courses are classified in 3 tracks: investment banking, corporate finance, and fintech. We provide an immersive and international experience by staying 1 week at Schema Business School in Paris. During this week, students attend classes in the morning and visit companies in the afternoon. This is a very effective way to enlarge the network and to get contact with the real companies and business professionals. Thanks to the quality of their education, 97% of the other participants succeed in landing jobs within 3 months of finishing the program. So, if you want to become a successful finance professional with a bright future career, join our International Master in Finance program.